Hi guys, so as you can see I have some more review items for you, and these are from SheModern. So they've started branching out in what sort of products they're offering. You've seen my previous videos hopefully showing you some of their items. They are now doing water decals. So I picked out 4 different ones. I'll obviously do some individual tutorials on these so you can see them in action. So the ones that I chose, I got these breast cancer ribbons. I always like to do a breast cancer design every year in October, so I figured that these will come in handy for then. And of course I got them in pink. Second ones I got were these flowers in a silver hollow pattern. Some red love hearts. And these pink birds as well. And if you've seen my other videos, you'll know that in the pack you get more than just the decals or stickers or whichever it is you have ordered. They come in this cute little package, and you always get like an extra little set in here as well, just like some sample ones. And you get some other items that I will go through in a bit more detail when I do each of the reviews on these. So keep an eye out for those coming soon. You can find the link to SheModern down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.